Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw these really cute cacti. Starting by drawing a rectangle shape that's really thin, and this is going to be the top of the pot. And underneath I'm drawing a kind of trapezium shape or a rectangle shape that gets thinner at the bottom. I'm drawing my first baby cacti, and I'm just drawing a semicircle on the side of the pot, and I'm adding this little tuft at the top. Then adding a second semicircle for the cactus behind, and I'm adding a bow on this one. Two big circles for the eyes, and then inside this I'm going to draw one big circle and one little circle. Smiles, eyebrows and eyelashes, and then I'm going to add the kind of spikes of the cacti. I'm then going to draw a face on the pot, so I'm adding two big circles for the eyes and repeat the same process as the other ones. Using a black fine liner and outlining the eye first. So I'm going over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then using a black Sharpie we're going to colour in the eye, leaving the two circles white. Pause this video now and go ahead and blackline over all the pencil lines that we drew, and then use a rubber to rub out any of the pencil lines that may still be showing through. Green to colour in the big cactus, and I'll be using a turquoise colour to colour in the baby cactus. Using a light brown to colour in the pot. I'm also using a light pink Sharpie to colour in the bow. I'm using a dark green to start adding shading to the left side of the cactus, the big cactus, and then I'll be using a lighter green to shade the baby cactus, a dark pink to shade the bow, and a dark brown to shade the pot. And I'm always going on the left side and underneath of all of the different items. then got a white pen and I'm starting to add highlights to the right side or the opposite side that you shaded. There's the finished cacti. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.